Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm just going to do some quick updates on things that I'm working on and little updates to my level. Something I've done already was I made a little crosshair because there's been issues with heuristics with people needing to aim at specifically the key. It's always been a struggle for them to pick up the key. I'll show you what it looks like in game. It's just a little white dot that I've tested out, and just through my testing with it, it seems to be work perfect with the line trace since the line trace shoots right at the center of the screen, and that's exactly where the dot is. And I made this by using a little widget. It works, see, as you saw, it works with the key, and it works with shooting too, just like that. And I created this by making first, I created a main HUD class. Very simple blueprinting here. Get player controller, create the widget, and then I put the widget I created, the WP crosshair in there, and then add to viewport. And then I created the widget here by adding an overlay, size box, and then an image to that size box. At first it was white, but the white kind of fell in the background of like some of the colors, and how I have a flashlight kind of drowned out the white a little bit, and it kind of matched the particles around the room. So I switched that to green and it seems to pop a bit better. I might switch it to red, might play around with colors a bit more, but green seems to work just fine with that. And then after I made that, I added it to the game mode HUD and made that its main HUD. So now whenever you play, it pops up on the character screen just like that. So that very simple, but it works for what it needs to do. And the next thing I'm going to work on is a respawn system, because right now I have this health system and the health widget that I made a long time ago that I covered in another video. So I need to make it to where whenever your health hits 0, you die, and they'll make checkpoints. I'll probably make the checkpoints at each door you open with the key. So probably like 2 checkpoints in this one level. And I don't know if I'm going to need to make a new health system or not. Just depends on how easy it will be to make the respawn system that I want to do. I just have to do a bit more research on that to see which one would work best for my game. So I'll be back whenever I get that finished. Okay, so I'm back with a respawn system. It's not perfect yet, but it works. And I'll probably tweak it in later videos, but I can show how it works right now, and you can see what the issue with it is in a second. So my health hits 0, screen fades, you are dead, and then after a delay, you respawn. Now, the only issue with it that I can't figure out right now, and I've been trying to figure out for the past like 30 minutes, is I don't know why I'm getting one shot by my character, my enemy AI. But first, I'll show you my blueprints. So this is the player damage, the health. It's similar to what I had. I tweaked it a little bit. It print strings still. When it's 0, branches off. Then I also have it this sets to simulate physics, and then it casts to this new player controller I made that I'll show you later, and then it connects to this on death thing I made right over here in this new player controller. On death, unpossess, start camera fade, and then it gets that a widget blueprint I made, and then it puts that, adds it to viewport, sets a 5-second delay. I might switch that to like 30 seconds, not 30, 30. So then remove from parent, cast to first person game mode, restart game. I'll say that. This is the death screen I made, very simple, just canvas and then a text that I anchored right in the middle. So then there's that, and the damage is set to 5, and the health is set to 100, so I'm not sure why I'm getting one shot. I'll have to look into that more. I might have to fix something. It's probably something stupid that I'm just missing, but that's what I got going on right now. Other than that, the respawn system works. Just need to fix the damage a little bit, and then I'll be in a pretty good place with the progress of my game. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.